Welcome to AGIIT Industrial Campus. Let's break down the concept of SCADA across these 3 episodes. In episode 1, we covered what is SCADA and needs for SCADA. In episode 2, we explored the applications of SCADA and their key components, and in episode 3, we will cover the SCADA types based on their architecture and technological advancements. Let's jump right into the content. Today we'll explore what SCADA is, and trace its fascinating journey through history. Introduction to SCADA. SCADA is a control system that uses hardware and software to remotely monitor, collect data from, and manage industrial processes. It is essential in industries such as energy, water management, transportation, and manufacturing. Evolution of SCADA. SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, originated in the mid-20th century and has evolved from basic analog systems to advanced digital platforms. Today, it plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe, efficient, and reliable operation of essential infrastructure. Early days of SCADA. SCADA began in the 1950s and 1960s, with the development of early control systems for large-scale industrial processes. These analog systems had limited functionality but laid the groundwork for modern digital SCADA technologies. Birth of SCADA. The term SCADA emerged in the 1970s with the introduction of microprocessors and digital communications. These advances enabled more powerful, flexible systems capable of improved control and monitoring of industrial processes. Evolution in the 1980s and 1990s. In the 1980s and 1990s, SCADA systems grew more advanced, adding features like data logging, alarm management, and remote access. The rise of the Internet in the 1990s further transformed SCADA, enabling web-based access from virtually anywhere. Modern SCADA systems. In the 21st century, SCADA systems have embraced cutting-edge technologies like cloud computing, AI, and IoT. These innovations have significantly boosted their capabilities, making SCADA systems essential for managing critical infrastructure. Need for SCADA. SCADA is essential in today's industrial landscape due to its ability to deliver real-time monitoring and control. This capability is critical for ensuring the safety, efficiency, and productivity of complex operations across various sectors. Hope this video is helpful to understand about the introduction and evolution of SCADA. Stay tuned for the next video where we will discuss the applications and key components of SCADA. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.